Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Python compilers or interpreters. So there are few popular compilers where you can write a Python program. Let's see about it. So first is a most popular compiler, Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is simple. It's famous for simple structure. Here you can just write your program and run your program, and I will give you some more explanation uh, after the complete slides. So this is the second most popular compiler of Python, PyCharm. It's basically paid, but free version you can find so many things. So it's also helpful, and pre-suggestions it will provide. The third most popular compiler is Google Colab. It is also very popular, and in industry most of the people use Google Colab. So you just open it and then click on new notebook and start writing your Python program. So it is also very popular. Online compiler. Suppose you don't want to install any software, and you can simply use a link and start your coding. So for beginners, for very beginners, it is helpful because it will not provide you pre-suggestions. It will limited things. It has limited things. There are so many libraries in Python, it doesn't have all the libraries, but for very beginners it is helpful. Programmist.com. One more online compiler is onecompiler.com. This is the URL. I will share the URLs in the description. So here you can write the program and run the program and see the output, right? So this is the third most popular online compiler, onlinegdb.com. So here you can write your program and here you can see your output. You can hide the sidebar. So these are the popular interpreters or compilers of Python: Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, Google Colab, Programmist.com, onecompiler.com, onlinegdb.com. So apart from that, there are so many other softwares and online compilers available, but these are very popular. So I want to give you a brief idea. Give me a second. So this is an online compiler I mentioned there. Here you can write program and use it. These are the links, I will share them, right? And one more thing, that this is the Jupyter. Here you can use. So I have a separate video where you can see how to make program and what are these options. So easily you can make a program here. This is a PyCharm. So here you can make a program. It will provide you some suggestions as well, like this. What's the reason why it's showing error? It highlight the error, and here you will see the program. And best part is, if you like this press any button, it will show the suggestion. Similarly, this happens in Jupyter. You just press any button and then use tab. So when you press the tab, it will show up the options. So it's the best tool I ever seen, and in industry also use this tool. But Google Colab is also very similar of this. So you can do colab.google. So simply you can. So it's quite similar of Jupyter Notebook. So this is, so it might take some time to open. So here you can run your program, print and hello, and simply run it. Run option is here. So this is more easy than other, I would say. So these are all the popular tools I explained. So if you need any help or you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so thank you so much.